What's up, you guys? I noticed that you were looking at my fresh slime washing machine. I need it to wash my slime when it gets dirty.
Oh, that slime washing machine. Oh my gosh. Batteries? Hey, batteries. This. Oh, what? This goes on this. Power Expert. Makes the scent. This is yellow, red, and it's like blue. Ocean Wave. Smells like an ocean wave, all right. Let's do the blue slime first. Oh, let's get it out of there. Oh, look at that. Oh, in there. Putting in the slime crystals. See? Gotta close the door. Ready? Here goes. Oh, look at it go. How long is it supposed to stay in there for? Open the jar. It's all mixed in there now. Smells just like the ocean. Get the slime in here, see? Ah, perfect. Ready to